Hi, my name is Michael, and I'm here with Dustless Technologies, and today we're going to do a visual demonstration of what each layer of the HEPA Wet+Dry Dustless Vac does. So what we're going to do is we've got some finely ground cinnamon powder here, which is going to represent things like drywall dust, silica dust. We're going to run it through the vacuum, and then for each pile, we're going to remove a layer of filtration to show you what the previous layer had done for you. So I'm going to do a quick installation of the Wunderbag. And what you're going to notice here when we get started is that the Wunderbag is your first layer of filtration, and it is going to do most of the work for all three layers. Let's get the first pile. And what you'll notice is as we open up the bag, voila, you've got a completely clean barrel. A little bit of discoloration here where it was sucking through. Other than that, there's no cinnamon anywhere on the inside of the barrel. So let's take the bag off. Okay, get a nice closing, which is another feature which is helpful, is that once something goes in the bag, it's not going to come out because it's got a sealable seal at the port. We'll put the motor head back on the vacuum, and then I'll show you really quick the next layer of filtration before we get it dirty. So this is a cloth outer filter which covers the HEPA filter on the inside of this. I want to get a look at that. Completely white, completely clean. That's because the Wunderbag prevented any of the cinnamon to even get to here. So again, the Wunderbag is going to do most of the work. While we're at it, why don't we show you the inside of the intermediate? Completely clean. No cinnamon whatsoever. So most of the dust getting caught in the Wunderbag. But now we don't have a Wunderbag in there. Let's show you what the Wunderbag was preventing. Okay. Now, you're going to be shocked, but the barrel is going to be absolutely filthy. Got to get it to stay on the table here. So intermediate's covered, obviously. So imagine that's drywall or cement dust, completely covered. So the Wunderbag, it contains and it filters, but the other thing is it's going to be an absolute nightmare to get this cinnamon completely out of here. But with the Wunderbag, it's easy as just pull it out. So that's everything on the inside there. Obviously, the intermediate is also filthy, but so what? All right. Now, we're going to show you the outer filter of the HEPA filter, and what do you know? It's absolutely covered. But, okay, so completely covered on the outside. Intermediate, looking like the surface of Mars. Now, let's get to the HEPA filter. Not dust the get the dust on the HEPA filter. As I pull it off, voila, what do you know? Everything's clean. If you look at the top side of the HEPA filter, got a little bit of dust just from getting off. There's no cinnamon on there. That filter did everything to protect the inner filter. Part of the reason that that's important is number one, well, most people are going to care about the cost because the HEPA filter on any vacuum is the most expensive component. With ours, that's still the case because our HEPA filters, at least on the D1606, the HEPA Wet+Dry Dustless Vac, is individually certified. So that means when they manufacture these, they test each one of the filters. They don't just test one and then out of 15 and then say, well, those 15 are good. They go through individually and certify each one of these. So part of the reason that this outer filter and the micro filter are so important is because it protects the most expensive part of the vacuum. But not only that, this is also the part that is going to be probably the most important from keeping dangerous or hazardous materials from re-entering the air. This is the last filter the air passes through before it goes through the motor. So this is like the last defense. The good news is most of the time, if you're using micro pre-filter Wunderbag, and the outer filter, nothing is really even going to get to this filter. But we're going to show you what happens when it does, and then we're going to show you the inside of that. So let's go that way. Just make sure it's nice and tight still. Take the band clamp off. All right, last line of defense. Let's see how it did. Obviously, it's going to be covered. There you go. Nice and covered. All of the cinnamon has made it into each of the pleats. But let's see what the inside looks like. Okay. Moment of truth. Voila. Completely clean. So this last filter is the strongest filter. It's called HEPA because it means high efficiency particulate air. This particular filter is at H13, which means it filters down to 0.3 microns. So even if this was the only thing that you had installed in your vacuum, it's still going to do an amazing amount of work to keep harmful dust from entering back into the air. So that is the reason why you want to have each of these filters installed, is for each layer that you have installed on your vacuum, knocking out 99% of what's coming into the vacuum. That's important because obviously you don't want to be replacing this filter every 2 weeks, 3 months, even every year. You don't want to be replacing the outer filter. What you want to be replacing is the disposable micro pre-filter Wunderbag. That's the cheapest. It's $23.99 for a 2-pack, and you can exchange those out as frequently as possible. So as long as you're using the Wunderbag, these 2 extra layers, you're not gonna need. So it's going to save you on cost. It's going to save you on performance as well, because as these filters get clogged, there's going to be less and less air that passes through them. So to keep the performance of the vacuum up, you also want to be using these filters. We also want to think about safety, where if this is silica dust or if this is hazardous dust like asbestos or drywall dust or anything else that could be harmful to your consumption, especially through the lungs, nothing is going to get through the air if you're using all 3 filters. So remember that there's 3 filters. They're all going to do an amazing job with reducing the dust that goes through them. And there's safety, performance, and of course cost. So remember, if you're vacuuming anything that needs HEPA filtration, make it dustless.